Hello and welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear the friends. Today's video is question number 2.53 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. The ejection of photoelectrons from the silver metal in photoelectric effect experiment can be stopped by applying the voltage of 0.35 volts. When the radiation 256.7 nanometer is used, calculate the work function of the silver metal. Now friends, here they are telling that the photoelectrons can be stopped by applying the voltage of 0.35 volts. It means we can say kinetic energy of the photoelectron is 0.35 electron volt or volts we can write. Now, next thing they are given is the wavelength. This is denoted by lambda and its value is 256.7 nanometer, which we can write 256.7 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So for the sake of calculation we need to convert it into meter. Now, so here we need to find the work function. Work function E naught is equal to energy of the photon minus kinetic energy. We knew this. This is the energy of photoelectron and Ke is the kinetic energy. Now friends, from this equation we can be able to find the work function as this is asked in the question. But before that we need to find the energy of the photoelectron, and we knew that the formula for energy is equal to hc by lambda. So if we substitute the values here, h is the Planck constant, c is the velocity of light and lambda is the wavelength which is given here, we can be able to calculate the energy. Let's start. H value is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second multiplied by C, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which in turn divided by 256.7 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Now, if we do the calculation, we will get the value here. After multiplying 6.626 with the 3 and then divide it with 256.7, we will get the value 7.74 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This is our energy of the photoelectron. Now energy we can put here, but we can see that here what we calculated energy is in joule and the kinetic energy is given in electron volt. So we need to convert the joule into electron volt. First thing we will do here. So we knew that 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So we can write E is equal to, we have given 7.74 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This is calculated, divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So we will get the value here, which is 4.83 electron volt. Now we get the value energy of the photoelectron. So now next step is to find the work function. Work function is equal to E minus kinetic energy. E here it is given 4.83 minus kinetic energy which is given is 0.35 electron volt. Now after doing subtraction we will get the answer 4.48 unit electron volt, and this is our work function. So friends, we get the answer easily, the calculations are easy, formula is easy. So hope this question is understandable to you. It's easy to calculate. So friends, Please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.